How to unlink your Facebook from your Instagram account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Instagram, right, on your mobile phone or maybe on your laptop or PC. So you just have to go to your profile and you can see this is my profile. Then click on these three lines at the top right corner and click on settings. In settings, you just have to scroll down and you will see this right here, account center, which is the meta account center, control setting for connected experience across Instagram, the Facebook app and Messenger. So I'm going to click on account center and it will open me up. So you can see that I do not have my Facebook account linked. I actually unlinked it. So if you have an account, it will be shown right here and then you can just click on sharing across profiles and then it will actually show you the accounts you have linked from Facebook to Instagram. So you can just click on the account and it will say unlink or log out. So you just click on it and it will unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram. So it's really easy to do. Just go to the account center and click on sharing across profiles and unlink your Facebook. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.